All right, this was one red potato that was going bad in the house. It had about 7 or 8 eyes on, and it was getting soft. So you take that potato, you cut it up into, like I said, about 7 pieces. I let each eye come out, and then you come out and you bury that about an inch or so under the ground. And these are about 10 inches tall now. They've been out here for maybe 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. But anyway, you go ahead and you grow these. Now what could be done is you actually add more dirt. You don't cover the green though. Add more dirt up the stem. Just say, for instance, cut another potato up, set them flat on the ground, and then drop 2 inches of dirt on top of that. You also have some people that will cut holes in the sides of them, and you place that potato so that the green will start to grow out. Well, anyway, when all this green starts to die, just dump the whole container over and you'll have red potatoes. Easy as that.